How to create YouTube channel. I am Sandra and in today's guide video, I'll show you how to create YouTube channel. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Click the YouTube app and click the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click add account to put the details of the Google account you want to associate with your channel. Step 2. Put the needed details. You will also see the create account button and you can choose if you will make account for yourself or to manage a business. Step 3. Enter your first and last name. John 3rd, and put the basic information, your birthday, the month, day, year, and your gender, then click next. Step 4. Pick a Gmail address or create your own Gmail address. Click next and create a strong password. Click next and add phone number. Click skip and next. Scroll down and click I agree. Step 5. You can now go ahead and visit your own YouTube channel. You can choose profile pictures or you can also use your actual name or brand name. After updating all the informations, click create channel and ta-da! You now have your own channel and you can start uploading your videos anytime you want. So, this is the way on how to successfully create your own YouTube channel. We hope this video is really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to like or subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, make sure to leave it down to the comment sections. Thank you for watching!